Welcome back to another FLYTECH Podcast.
Today is Monday, April 17th, and you just tuned into the FLYTECH Podcast on all podcast platforms. My name is Nick.
And I'm Dominic. We got some fly topics for you today. For our first topic, Apple is stepping up its commitment to protecting the environment.
Just in time for Earth Month. That's what's up. For our second topic, it looks like we're getting a new 27-inch Apple display. I haven't even gotten the first one. And it's expected to enter production in 2024 or early 2025.
Yes, sir. That 27-inch is making a comeback. And for our third topic, this is going to be delicious. You can now order Domino's pizza straight from your car using Apple CarPlay. Let's dig into these topics.
All right, friends. For our first topic, as you may know, last year Apple launched the Restore Fund. It's a project aimed at removing carbon from the atmosphere. They're investing in a couple of forestry projects, and now they decided to expand this initiative. Isn't that awesome, Dominic?
Absolutely. I think it's fantastic to see such a big tech company taking environmental responsibility seriously. So what exactly does this expansion involve?
Great question. I was waiting for you to ask. Apple is now, they're pretty much committing to invest even more money into the Restore Fund, which means they'll be able to support even more projects focused on carbon removal. They're teaming up with Conservation International, I'm sorry if I messed up that name, and Goldman Sachs to ensure that these investments are making a real difference in the fight against climate change.
People trying to see where their money goes.
Yes.
But that sounds like a powerful collaboration. Do you know what kind of projects they'll be supporting?
Yes, sir. Apple has already invested in several forestry projects across the globe. They're focusing on projects that not only remove carbon from the atmosphere, but also protect biodiversity and create new jobs and local communities. It's a fantastic approach in my opinion. And because it combines environmental protection with social and economic benefits.
Yes, sir. That's amazing. I love that they're considering the bigger picture and not just focusing on carbon removal. So how does it fit into Apple's overall environmental goals?
Now, that's a key point to consider. As you may know, Apple has set ambitious goals to become carbon neutral across its entire supply chain by 2030. The expansion of the Restore Fund is a significant step towards achieving that goal. They're pretty much going to invest in carbon removal projects, and Apple's actively working to reduce the overall carbon footprint.
It's really encouraging to see such big tech giants taking a proactive approach to environmental issues. I hope other tech companies follow and make the similar commitments to protect our planet.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. It's essential for all of us, including big corporations, to do our part in fighting against climate change. Apple's commitment to expanding the Restore Fund is a shining example of how businesses can contribute to a more sustainable future.
Yes, sir. For our second topic, from our boy, our trusted source.
Welcome back.
Our man's all things Apple, our boy Minchi Kuo, has just shared some interesting information about a new Apple display. Are you guys ready for this?
Oh, I'm always ready for some juicy Apple tea. What can you tell us about this new display, Dominic?
Well, according to our boy Minchi Kuo, it seems that Apple is gearing up to produce a new 27-inch display.
Man.
Yo,
this guy works for Apple, bro. He's on payroll. Like, how is it that he's the only one that has the leaks?
Check this out.
Idea.
Check this out. He even said that he thinks that production is to begin in 2024 or at least early 2025. Now, that is still ways off, but just know that I'm excited to see what Apple has in store for us.
Absolutely. Apple does have a history of producing top-notch displays. I can't even lie. I'm using one right now. So I'm sure this one won't disappoint. Do we have any details on what kind of features and specs we can get from this new display?
So unfortunately, even though we think our boy Minchi Kuo works for Apple, he didn't provide any specifics about this display's feature or specs just yet. But knowing Apple, we can expect something that'll blow our minds. Maybe even some groundbreaking technology that we haven't seen before.
Man, I feel like it's always just enough to still keep you interested.
Yo.
So just keeping people talking like, all right, it's coming. All right, it's going to do this one thing. It's going to do this other thing. And then a third thing. And then it's like, all right, it finally comes out like, bro, I already know like everything that it's going to do now. No surprise.
I feel like when it comes out to leakers like Michiko, I feel like they get all the tea and they just spill it over time.
Yeah, I'm telling you, they're just trying to get the views and the retweets.
Exactly.
Well, look, it's always fun to speculate what Apple might come up with next. In the meantime, we'll just have to keep an eye out for any updates or leaks that might give us a better idea what to expect. So stay tuned.
Facts. And you know that we'll be the first to share any new information we come across. So make sure you guys follow us on all social media platforms. Me personally, I can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us with this new display.
Me too. It's going to be a long wait, but I'm sure it'll be worth it. Apple never disappoints when it comes to their products. Can't even lie. Unless you're talking like the iPhone SE. But that's for another podcast.
Well, speaking of the iPhone, on that note, I think it's time for our last topic. We've got a delicious update for you all, pizza lovers and Apple CarPlay users out there. Are you ready for this one?
So I'm sure many of you are familiar with Apple CarPlay, right? Look, it's a fantastic feature that lets you use your iPhone safely while driving by displaying your favorite apps on your car's built-in display. Still waiting for that CarPlay on my Tesla, though, Elon.
Yo, facts. What's going on, Elon? What's up with the Apple CarPlay?
Yo, it's that beef.
Me, personally, I love using the Apple CarPlay when I'm on the road. It's super convenient for navigating especially and playing music. And you can even send text using Siri. But ordering pizza, now that's a whole nother level.
Whole nother level. You bet it is. Domino's had just announced their app is now compatible with Apple CarPlay. It makes it even easier to satisfy those pizza cravings. You can place an order right from your car's display. And the best part, it's all hands-free. In a way, I'm kind of glad my car doesn't have this because I be ordering pizza non-stop. Can I get some extra cheese on that pizza, please?
Yo, what? Facts. Yo, I'll be ordering. When it comes down to like pizza, what's your go-to for pizza?
I don't know, but this is like speed dial on steroids. Like you don't even gotta call anymore.
Facts. No calling, no nothing. Just order up some pizza, a large drink, and some wings, and then call it a day. Yo, can I place an order for the cinnamon buns too?
Yo, those be hitting sometimes.
Yo, facts. What? That sounds delicious. I can't wait. So you mean to tell me that I can order literally anything I want without having to pick up the phone and call in and speak to like an actual person? Like how? Like explain to me how this like incredible thing works.
Look, it's super simple, but at the same time, it's not. Once you got the Domino's app installed on your iPhone and connected to Apple CarPlay, you'll see the Domino's icon on your car's display. Just tap the icon, Dominic, and you'll be able to browse the menu, customize your order, and even use voice commands to place your order, all without even taking your eyes off the road. You gotta look. I gotta
try this. I'm trying to tell you, gotta make sure like Siri get your order right.
Only at the stoplight, please. We don't want nobody getting into no accidents ordering that extra large.
Stoplights and red lights.
Yeah.
Or just place it before you go home
from the parking lot.
Yeah, like right then and there. But honestly, that almost sounds too good to be true. I can't wait to try it for myself. Just imagine a piping hot cheesy pizza waiting for you at home after a long day at work, and you didn't have to pick up your phone and order it. Now that's something to look forward to.
You made me hungry, Dominic.
Yo, I'm hungry myself.
Yeah, I mean, it's a game changer for those busy days when you're feeling a little peckish and want some fast food. Plus, it's another great example of how technology can make our lives, as in my life, more convenient and enjoyable.
No doubt. I'm already looking forward to this next pizza night. Thanks Apple CarPlay and Domino's.
Now for the fun fact you have all been waiting for. Did you know that the days are getting longer here on Earth?
Wait a minute. Hold on. So you mean to tell me I can finish all my errands with more time? Yo, sign me up, please.
Yo, this
Where do I apply for this at?
Moretime.com. Yeah, dang. I mean, look, when Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, it's a day. I sound like that guy from Discovery Channel.
Yo, facts.
Yeah.
You gotta play the ancient music.
Okay, so as days would have been roughly 6 hours. What? I didn't know. By 620 million years ago, this had increased to 21.9 hours. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, but it's increasing by 1.7 milliseconds every century.
That's crazy. So what's causing this? Like, are we moving further from the sun? Like, what's going on here?
I thought you never asked, Dominic. The moon is slowing down Earth's rotation. You got to blame that. So through the tides that it helps create. So as a result, our days are getting longer, but not long enough to make that difference that we need, that you and I need, Dominic. I'm so sorry, my man. But,
oh, man.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to keep doing some deeper research because you never know. Maybe I can bend time or something.
Yo,
no rings allowed. But could you do me a favor and what are the takeaways for our beautiful listeners, Dominic?
Yes, sir. So for our first topic, Apple is taking its commitment seriously to help planet Earth.
For our second topic, an Apple 27-inch display may arrive in 2024 or early 2025.
Brought to you in part by Boy Mitchu. Quote.
Yes, sir.
And last for our third topic, you can now order your favorite Domino's pizza using Apple CarPlay. The new era of fast food has arrived.
No. I was going to say something, but nah. Look, I'm not going to drag this on. So this is definitely the end of another FLYTECH Podcast.
We'll be posting every Monday and Friday, your favorite days of the week, so be sure to tune in.
Make sure to follow us on all social media platforms at Max and Bix.
Y'all stay safe and take care.
Until next time.
Peace.